Hello students, I am Amardeep Pandey from Ambition Classes. Students, today I will teach you maths of class 11 and in maths our today's chapter is trigonometry. Let's start. Students, we are having a question. Prove that 1 minus cos 4a plus sin 4a upon 1 plus cos 4a plus sin 4a equals to tan 2a. Students, we have to prove this. 1 minus cos 4a plus sin 4a upon 1 plus cos 4a plus sin 4a equals to tan 2a. Students, we have studied the formula for cos 2a, but here it is the formula, we have to apply the formula for cos 4a. So for cos 2a, we were having the formula 2 cos square a minus 1, 1 minus 2 sin square a, cos square a minus sin square a. We were having three formulas. Okay students, the resultant is half the angle which we have taken. If we take here 2a, then here in the answer, here in the result it will be a, that is half of 2a. Okay student, so now we have to make a formula as a cos 4a. So if we want to make a formula cos 4a, then what we have to do, we will write 2 cos square 2a minus 1, 1 minus 2 sin square 2a, cos square 2a minus sin square 2a. So we have to apply this formula in this question. Okay students, and we are having sin 4a. So for sin 4a we can apply 2 sin 2a into cos 2a. Okay students, so let's carry on. Let's see, LHS 1 minus cos 4a plus sin 4a upon 1 plus cos 4a plus sin 4a. Okay students, now we are having here 1 minus cos 4a. We have to apply that formula which cancel the effect of this one. So we will apply here 1 minus 2 sin square 2a plus sin 4a upon 1 plus, now we have to apply the formula which cuts the effect of 1, 2 cos square 2a minus 1 plus sin 4a. Okay, let's see, this one will cancel this one. Here we will have 1 minus 1 plus 2 sin square 2a plus sin 4a upon 2 cos square 2a plus sin 4a. Now what we have to do, this will cancel out students. We will have here 2 sin square 2a. Let's apply the formula for sin 4a. It will be 2 sin 2a into cos 2a. So after this we will get 2 cos square 2a plus, for sin 4a we can write 2 sin 2a into cos 2a. Now let's take some terms as a common. What? In numerator we see what is the common term, 2 sin, student, 2 sin square a or 2 sin square 2a, sorry, 2 sin 2a is a common term, 2 sin 2a, so here it will be sin 2a plus, what will be here, it will be cos 2a. After this we will take 2 cos square 2a as a common, so we will get here, what we will get here, 2 cos 2a as a common, we will get cos 2a plus sin 2a. So this will cancel out students. Now we will get sin 2a upon cos 2a. So it will be tan 2a. So this is how we have to solve this type of questions. Please take it as a screenshot. Clear students? Now let's move on to next questions. Okay students, let's move on to next question. Prove that we are having next question students. Prove that 1 plus sin x minus cos x upon 1 plus sin x plus cos x equals to tan x by 2. Now we have to solve this students. Okay students. Now let's apply some formula. We have to apply the formula for cos x, cos a, not for cos 2a. So what we will have? Now we have to apply for formula for cos x. So what we will have? We will have 2 cos square x upon 2 minus 1 and 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2 cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. And for cos x and for cos x and for sin x, we have to apply formula 2 sin x by 2 and 2 cos x by 2. Now let's apply this formula, all this formula. 1 plus sin x, it means 1 plus 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 minus for cos x. Now we have to apply the formula for cos x which cuts the effect of 1. Now we have to apply here 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2 upon 1 plus for sin x we have to apply formula 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. For cos x we have to apply formula 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. We will have here 1 plus 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 minus 1 plus 2 sin square x by 2. After this we will have 1 plus 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 plus 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. This one will cancel. Here this one will cancel. Now we will have remaining terms 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 plus 2 sin square x upon 2. Here we will have 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 plus 2 cos square x by 2. Now we have to take some term as a common. What we will get here? We will get here 2 sin x upon 2 as a common. Here we will get 2 cos x upon 2 as a common. So we will take common 2 sin x by 2 as a common. We will get cos x by 2 plus sin निकल भी कहो हो कोई उन्हें देख देख यार उन्हें तुम्हारा सामने ढेला दुखी नहीं था two will cancel out. After this we will get proved. Students, now we are having another question. Prove that cos 4x equals to 1 minus 8 sin square x cos square x. So let's see. LHS cos 4x for cos 4x we can write we have formula. What formula we can apply, students? 1 minus 2 sine square 2x. 1 minus 2. For sine square 2x we can write sine 2x whole square. And at the place of sine 2x we can write 2 sine x into cos x whole square. 1 minus 2 4 sine square x into cos square x. Here will be 1 minus 8 sine square x into cos square x. Hence proved. Students, please note this question. Okay, students. Now let's move on to next question. We are having another question. Prove that sine 8a upon sine a equals to 8 cos a into cos 2a into cos 4a. Now let's solve this question, students. Students, for sine 8a we can write LHS. For sine 8a we can write, students, sine 2 into 4a upon sine a. And for sine 2a we are having formula 2 sine a into cos a. 2 sine a into cos a upon sine a. Now let's apply formula, students. For sine 4a we can write 2 sine a, 2 sine 2a into cos 2a. For cos 4a, now we have to apply some formula for cos 4a. Let it be like this only, cos 4a upon sine a. Now, what we have to do, students? We have to multiply 2 into 2, 4. 4 sine 2a into cos 2a into cos 4a upon sine a. Now, students, cos 2a is here, cos 2a is here, cos 4a is here, cos 4a is here. Now, just we have to prove one more term, 8 cos a. So now expand sine 2a as a 2 sine a into cos a into cos 2a into cos 4a upon sine a. This sine will cancel, students. 4 into 2, 8 cos a into cos 2a into cos 4a. Hence proved. Please, student, take its screenshot. Okay, students. Let me rub this question. Let's take some more question, students. One more question. Prove that cos x plus cos y whole square plus sin x minus sin y whole square equals to 4 cos square in bracket x plus y upon 2. Now we have to prove this question, students. So let's see how can we prove this question. Okay, students, let's solve. Firstly, we have to expand this as a cos a plus b whole square formula, and now we have to expand this as a minus b whole square formula. Let's see. LHS cos x plus cos y whole square means a square plus b square plus 2 cos x into cos y. Now for sin x minus sin y formula we can expand sin square x plus sin square y minus 2 sin x into sin y. Okay, students, now let's see what is happening here. We will take here cos square x plus sin square x, cos square y plus sin square y plus 2 cos x into cos y minus 2 sin x into sin y. Now what we are having here, it will be 1, here it will be 1, 1, 1, 1 plus 1. Now we are having here 2 cos x into cos y minus 2 sin x into 2 sin y. 2 cos x into cos y minus 2 sin x into sin y. Here it will be students 2, here it will be 2. 2 plus, we will take 2 as here as a common. Now what we will have, cos x, cos a minus cos b minus sin a into sin b, it will be cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y. So what is the formula for cos a plus b? So it will be 2 plus 2 into cos x plus y. Okay students, now we have to solve this question. 2 plus 2. For cos a student, what we can write? We can write 2 cos square x plus y upon 2 minus 1. Where we are having the formula for cos x, which is the formula for the cos x, we are having the formula 2 cos square x minus 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. So let's solve this question. 2 plus 2, it will be 4 cos square x plus y upon 2 minus, it will be 2. Students, here 2 will cancel out. We will get 4 cos square x plus y by 2. Proved. Okay students, please take a screenshot. Okay students, now take some question as a homework. Homework question students. Our first question is, prove that sec 8x minus 1 upon sec 4x minus 1 equals to tan 8x upon tan 2x. You have to prove this question students.